You've been posting, nobody's watching, and you don't know why. Your YouTube coach tells you to be consistent. YouTube Studio gives you numbers that really don't mean anything. Nobody tells you what's actually broke. I built something that does. In 30 seconds, it will tell you exactly what's holding your channel back. I've spent 34 years in IT. Now I'm watching AI displace people like me. So I made a decision. I built something before I needed it. I started a YouTube channel, hit the same wall that everybody hits. Views are flat, no signal. I built a diagnostic tool. I'm running it on my own channel, and it scored 50 out of 100. The problem wasn't the content, it was the packaging, the CTR, the one number that changed everything. Go to pressuretested.co. The link will also be in the description. Enter your email address. It is free, no catches. Then choose your file that you downloaded from your YouTube Studio. Put your in the third box, and then click Run My Diagnostic. And there you go. It's going to break down your views, the total impressions, your average click-through rate, and your views per impressions, and the number of videos. Again, it's going to show you, and this is mine, my CTR signal, my impression depth, views per impression, and upload velocity. Forgive me if I'm not looking at the camera, but I'm actually reading the tool of mine, and it'll actually break this down and show you what you need to do. It's absolutely free, no catches, and it's not going to be free for long. This is not opinion, it's just data, and every YouTube channel has it. Again, this is free, no catch. In 30 seconds, you'll know exactly what's holding your channel back. I hope you use it. I hope you come back and comment. This is for small channel people out there that actually want to know what's broken on their channel. If something's missing, put it in the comments, and I'll be glad to put it in this tool for you. I hope you find this useful, and I hope you run it on your channel and post your scores in the comments below. I'm going to be tracking my channel and continuing to make videos, and hopefully I will practice my own medicine here to see my channel grow, and maybe that'll inspire y'all as well. I hope you found this useful and look forward to seeing the comments and working with everyone.